Welcome to another episode of Sit with Sid. Today I have Karan Kapadia with me, and this is my first podcast collab.
Cheers, man.
Yes, and
Cheers, man. Cheers, buddy.
yeah, Karan is the host of Laid Back Leisure. Karan, tell us about your podcast, tell us about yourself. Plug kar do thoda sa.
So, so laid back leisure is nothing but me talking absolute nonsense. If any of y'all, whoever has seen any of my Instagram clips, you all will know that I just talk garbage. The idea is that I talk nonsense and people, there's so much information, man, out there in the world that like, it's just info, bro, in life. Kitna information lega, bro, tu? Matlab, like
हाँ.
news and like world there's like bombings and killings and all that shit and finance is going down the drain. You need
Hmm.
somebody to talk absolute nonsense, and that's I'm your guy because I'm a complete moron. So
Yo.
yeah, that's the podcast.
But
In
that's
honor of your podcast, I'm having a nice iced cold coffee.
oh, even
This is my cheers, man. Cheers,
like
buddy.
मेरा कप खाली हो गया मैं भी पी रहा था.
Acha. This is my first iced coffee of the summer. Since summer is just around the corner, this is my first iced coffee.
Oh,
You
even
still तेरा उधर अभी तेरे वहाँ तो अभी भी थोड़ा ठंडा रहेगा ना?
नहीं यार सब स्टार्ट हो गया. इवन मैंने भी आज पहली बार मैंने कोल्ड कॉफी बनाई आज ही.
Yeah.
मतलब मैं आज सुबह तक हॉट कॉफी पी रहा
Is
था.
yeah, same.
हाँ ये क्या तो काफी लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन.
Yeah, man. Yeah, bro.
चियर्स.
But cheers, man.
चियर्स. तो ओके.
Hmm.
सो आज मैं थोड़ा चलूं क्योंकि टुडे आई हैव अ पॉडकास्टर विद मी. तो मुझे कॉन्वर्सेशन अकेले कैरी नहीं करनी. तो इससे ना मेरा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी आ जाता है.
हम
व्हाट मेक्स अ गुड कॉन्वर्सेशन फॉर यू?
Bro, I just love talking, bro. I just love talking to people, man. Like, I don't really think of myself as like, bro, I've not even reached that stage. Like, my podcast is quite like basic right now. I have my friends listening to it, and maybe here and there I've gotten a couple of messages from random people that they found it on Spotify somehow and they came across it. But apart from that, like, it's just my friends, right? So, these are people on an average who have at least spoken to or had some form of like online interaction with, right? But for as for the great conversation bit, bro, I just love talking, man. Like you could talk to me about like anything on planet Earth, and I will love talking. Like I like love listening to people, and I love talking to people. That's the idea, man. What
Yeah,
about
but
you?
हाँ.
What makes a good conversation for you?
Oh, so for me, even I'm like that. मैं मतलब if I'm talking to someone, अगर अगर I'm talking to on call या even chat पे भी अगर कुछ अच्छी बात हो गई, तो 15-20 मिनट से पहले तो मैं किसी को छोड़ता नहीं हूँ अगर अच्छी बात करने लग
Yeah.
गए.
Same,
ठीक है.
same,
एंड
same,
आई एम
bro.
लाइक मैं तो कुछ कुछ भी बात करा लो. आई कैन मत आई विल नॉट गिव आउट ओपिनियंस. आई विल नॉट मतलब मैं जब बात करता हूँ, माय सेंस ऑफ टॉकिंग कम्स फ्रॉम अ वेरी क्यूरियस स्टैंड पॉइंट और फ्रॉम
Yeah.
वेरी गेसिंग की. मतलब इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बायोलॉजी, मुझे कुछ घंटा पता नहीं बायोलॉजी के बारे में, बट जितनी थोड़ी बहुत
Hmm.
नॉलेज हेयर एंड देयर से मेरे पास है, उससे मैं गेसेस ले सकता हूँ. बाकी माय कॉन्वर्सेशनलिस्ट पार्ट कम्स फ्रॉम आल्सो लिसनिंग, अगेन एज यू सेड, लिसनिंग टू पीपल. तो आई कंज्यूम
Yeah.
अ लॉट ऑफ पॉडकास्ट. मतलब मैं पॉडकास्ट ज्यादा सुनता हूँ, मैं गाने कम सुनता हूँ. एंड
क्या बात कर रहा है?
सही में मैं सिर्फ पॉडकास्ट ही सुनता हूँ. पॉडकास्ट बहुत सुनता हूँ मैं. मतलब मैं लेक्चर्स तो उससे एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उससे टॉपिक्स आ जाते हैं बात करने के लिए. तो नाउ आई कैन
Yeah.
टॉक. तो उससे क्या होता है, यू कैन टॉक टू एनीवन अबाउट एनीथिंग. मेरे एक दोस्त को क्रिकेट
Hmm.
खेलना पसंद है, मैं उससे क्रिकेट के बारे में बात कर सकता हूँ. फुटबॉल का पसंद है, फुटबॉल के बारे में बात कर सकता हूँ. आई कैन टॉक टू यू अबाउट द स्टॉक मार्केट. आई कैन टॉक टू यू अबाउट रैंडम स्टफ. मैं तुम किसी की बिचिंग कर रहे हो, मैं सुन लूंगा. मुझे सुनने में बहुत मजा आता है, मुझे बात करने में बहुत मजा आता है. तो या दैट्स.
I know what you mean, bro.
हाँ.
I
तो
get what you mean.
हाँ तो वो उससे माय इट वर्क्स लॉट. तो अगेन विद द पॉडकास्टिंग सेटअप, व्हाई डिड यू स्टार्ट योर पॉडकास्ट? मतलब जस्ट नहीं, मतलब ऐसे हाउ डू, मतलब ये आइडिया कहाँ से आया कि वैसे तो यू सेड दैट यू लव टॉकिंग टू पीपल, बट हाउ
Yeah,
डिड यू थिंक ऑफ इट कि
so
ऐसे इसको मैं
I
कमर्शलाइज कर
didn't,
लूंगा?
I had no idea what a podcast actually is. Like, you hear radio pata hai apne ko, sab suna hai, but like podcast I've never known. I didn't know what that was till like I was um 18, 19. Like I knew what it was, the word, what it means, and there is something called like a podcast, but I didn't know any podcasters. I didn't know
हाँ
what podcasts are cool, what the concept is. I had not much of an idea. But
हम्म
there's this YouTuber called David Dobrik. Do you know who he is?
या I know वो
Yeah,
4
one of
minute 20
my
seconds वाले ब्लॉग
all-time.
4 minute
Yeah,
20 seconds वाले
yeah, yeah,
ब्लॉग ना
but
हाँ
I fucking love his content, bro. And he has a podcast with one of his friends only. And so since I was such a big fan of his videos, I just gave that a go.
हाँ
Like I just gave it a listen. And like I was like, fuck, bro, this concept is crazy. I'm like I was walking. So that time I was in Penn State.
हम्म
So like I used to walk to a lot of my classes, right? Because you don't like you're living on campus, so you don't like take a
हाँ
taxi, take a
हाँ
car or whatever, right?
हाँ
You just walk or you take the bus. So
हाँ
like either it's music or you listen to something or you watch something, right?
हम्म
For a good like 5-10 minute walk.
हाँ
So I used to fucking bro, his podcasts were amazing, man. Like I used to listen to it and they're funny and I used to enjoy and because his videos are funny, they're comedians in general.
हम्म
So like I used to love like walking and listening to their podcast, right? So I was like
हम्म
this is next level, bro. मतलब इससे ये क्या concept है, bro? Like I'm walking and and this is what I do with my friend group. Meaning like I'm not the
हाँ
funniest guy out there, but I'm the person who like enjoys cracking jokes and
हाँ
shit like that.
हाँ
So
मतलब
whenever we're like yeah around and all and I crack
हाँ
these jokes and all and I feel like this is what I could genuinely do like listening to these guys
हम्म
David Dobrik's podcast. I was like damn, like I would genuinely enjoy talking on my own and making people laugh for a 10-minute 15
हाँ
minute walk.
हाँ
And like that's when I thought of making a podcast.
हाँ
And then through the lockdown as and I was like fuck it, bro, we gotta do it. Like
हम्म
if not now then never, bro.
हाँ अच्छा टेल
Gotta
मी
do it.
अबाउट योर मतलब वो पेन से मुझे like the other day I was listening to one of your podcasts जिसमें you told that your journey of education what like the past 3-4 years there have been a
Yeah.
roller coaster ride kind of for you. You have traveled to
Yeah, like
US and then you and finally
yeah.
you ended up here. How did that work out? थोड़ा बताओ, like that's interesting.
So like it's not like that crazy a story, but so I started off with like after 12th ISC. I was in Jamnabai. Shout out to anyone that is from Jamnabai. To this our school we are proud to belong. If anybody is from Jamnabai, they'll know this.
Comment कर देना.
Yeah. Yeah, if
हाँ
anybody's from Jamnabai.
yeah so
Yeah, so post ISC 12th grade, I was in Mitibai BA. So the idea was always to do psychology, right?
okay
Because since the eighth grade, I decided that, bro, like, I don't know what in psychology, but I was like, I love people,
mm-hmm.
and all I know in my life is what people like are, right? Like that's
हाँ
my life's, like that's what I feel my
हाँ
purpose-ish
हाँ
is, like
interacting
people.
with people हाँ मतलब
Yeah,
वो
yeah. Like even if today I would start a company, like
हाँ
even if I start a product, like let's
हाँ
say I start making these glasses,
हाँ
like my first thought will be what people are
हाँ
thinking about it, right? What people enjoy drinking. Like that's
हाँ
me, like
मतलब हाँ
people centric.
your thought process is a lot of what the bourgeois
Yeah.
thinks like what
Not the bourgeois. No, 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 no. Not the bourgeois. What I mean is like what people think. Like this glass was just an example, but
okay
I think
okay
of it in like what I think about is people.
what are the
Like
common
that's my
ideas yeah or whatever that people share
yeah, like
yeah okay
what people are like, who
हाँ
like even with my friends, I love like sitting down and like
hmm
analyzing my friends
हाँ
with them. Oh, you're
हाँ
like this, you're like
हाँ
this, like that, right?
okay yeah okay
So yeah, the idea was that I love people and I love the concept of human beings in general. So
hmm
eighth standard, I was like, this is the way to go. I don't know what the subject is, but this is the way to go. Then
hmm
ISC, I took humanities and psychology obviously comes under humanities.
हाँ
And then I took Mitibai BA. So
hmm
luckily I got in to Mitibai
हाँ
BA and Mitibai. For the first semester, my attendance was so horrible
hmm
that, okay, so Mitibai has two facets, right? The
hmm
first facet of Mitibai is that's when I decided to go abroad when I was already in Mitibai.
okay
And one second, bro, one second. You'll have to pause this here.
okay okay
Bro, I'm so sorry.
नहीं
My
नहीं
maid is here. She'll just quickly sweep.
ओके
I'm really sorry, man. Can you cut this portion out?
मतलब ऐसे कोई सीन नहीं है if she's there तो मतलब if she's थोड़ा नॉइज भी होगा
थोड़ा, you're okay with it?
हाँ हाँ चलो चलते रहेंगे
Sorry, man. Yeah,
हाँ
so the
sorry
idea was that एक second,
हाँ
the idea was that I started Mitibai and my attendance was like fuck all in Mitibai. I was doing well, like grades were
हाँ
fine,
हाँ
but I was doing quite bad in terms of attendance. So
हम्म
in the second semester, they called me down to Mumbai University.
हम्म
Me and like there were other 40, 45 people with me from my class only.
हम्म
And that's when they were like, why is your attendance low? Do you have a valid reason? This, that. And I was
हम्म
like, I'm preparing for another, like I was giving my SAT, ACT and classes.
हम्म
So they were like, so to leave this college, you're going abroad and you
हम्म
want us to excuse you for not having attendance.
हम्म
They're like, we're not. So, but anyway, I'd gotten into Penn State by that time. So I was
ओके
like, I was fine. Like I didn't care. क्योंकि yeah, like I was already in, so it didn't bother me much.
हाँ मतलब निकाल दो क्या
So
करना है मैं तो
then,
जा ही रहा हूँ
हाँ, मतलब like they said you'll have to reapply for the second year. मतलब first year you'll have to fully give.
ओह
Second year तेरे को reapply करना है. But I was like fuck
नहीं
it, मेरे
करेंगे
को
हम
क्या.
जा रहे हैं हाँ
हाँ, मतलब मैं जा रहा हूँ.
हाँ
So then that's when yeah, I left for Penn State.
so
Penn State, my first
what
sem,
course did you take in Penn State
BA Liberal Arts only.
अच्छा ओह
Yeah, so the idea was that, like, what I thought, and this is one of the things that, like, Indian mindset is that abroad studies are better,
हाँ
which is true to a certain degree,
हम्म
but not always the case. Like, social sciences, there's not much that's different.
अच्छा
Like, अपना NMIMS का स्ट्रक्चर बहुत घटिया है, समझ रहा है? कॉलेज का एकेडमिक स्ट्रक्चर घटिया है, सब्जेक्ट्स भारी है, टीचर्स भारी है, एंड दे आर ग्रेट. लाइक द कोर्स कंटेंट, everything is fucking
हाँ
phenomenal.
हाँ
It's
इवन
just that they give like 25, 26 credits.
हम्म
How is somebody supposed to like live their life like that,
हाँ
right? And like that's not the case with abroad. Like they
हाँ
have max between 4 and 6 subjects you take.
हाँ
Like
ओके
you have to complete 126 credits at the end of 8 semesters,
ओके 4 years
right? Whereas अपन 6 सेमेस्टर में कितना करते हैं? 6 into 25 कितना होता है?
150
150, 150,
just credited
150 3 साल में करते हैं हम लोग.
हाँ अरे वो वही तो मतलब
So
8 सब्जेक्ट हैं एक सेमेस्टर में
exactly, तू समझ रहा है? इतना heavy, like it's
हाँ
that heavy. So now I didn't know that, and Mitebai BA is not like that, right? Mitebai BA is just like you have your basic 4 subjects and all blah blah blah. But
तो
Mitebai BA also is very basic.
हाँ मतलब हाँ सरकारी कॉलेजेस यूजुअली काफी बेसिक टाइप के होते हैं
It's not fully Sarkari. Mitibai on is at least now it was 80% autonomous when I joined. Now it's 100% autonomous, so it doesn't fall. As per my guesstimation, it is 100% autonomous.
ओके हाँ बट स्टिल मतलब वो एक है तो रेसिड्यू तो रह ही जाता है आई गेस
Yeah.
हाँ
By law, they have to have something or the other, right?
हाँ हाँ
But yeah, so I left for Penn State with the idea that psychology उधर बहुत next level है, and like बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, practical knowledge मिलेगा, and which is there to a certain degree, it's there. But my fuck up was that, bro, I wasn't serious, man. Like in life that time, like
oh
I didn't. Like I think I grew up like one second, bro. I can't see. I think I grew up mentally a little later than everybody.
okay
Like the concept of like you gotta sit down and do your fucking assignments.
mature
It's not like like I wasn't mature enough. Now if I went, I'd fucking kill it, bro. Like considering how I'm doing like good enough in NMIMS.
okay
So, like, if the same drives that I had here, that I have here, I would have had there, I would have definitely gotten, like, I would have gotten 4.0s, bro, throughout. But that experience comes
बट
with
हुआ
only
क्या
fucking
मतलब
up.
थोड़ा लाइक एल्यूसिडेट ऑन वहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस
So,
थोड़ा सा
my first semester GPA in Penn State out of 4 was a 0.9.
0.9. That's less
Yes,
than
yes.
25% if I was
So
to convert it into percentage.
I got one F in my stat. So an F is a zero, right?
हाँ
So I'll tell you what. A is 4.0,
हाँ
ठीक है? तेरा
हाँ
A या A plus depending on the course.
हाँ हाँ
B is 3, C is 2, D is 1 and
हाँ
F is 0,
हाँ
right? Basic 1 to 5 गिन ले तू ऐसा 0
हाँ
1 2 3 4.
4 हाँ ठीक है
So I got one F,
हम्म
two D's and one B.
ओ ये
I
कौन सा
think roundabout that ऐसा roundabout it comes up to that only I think क्या मालूम और one C I got I think yeah C D D F I think I got
ओ
and I really messed it up right so
हम्म
my mom and dad like and I come from a good like little bit like middle class-ish only like I'm not overly loaded but this is a big deal like paying
हाँ
for this
हाँ
is a big deal like it's not
हम्म
like हाँ चलो
आई
fuck
गेट
it
इट
है
यस
पैसा
हम्म
it's like if
हम्म
Karan does well it's worth the money if Karan
हाँ
fucks up bring him back like
वो
that's the idea
या आई गेट दैट यू गेट दैट
yeah
लाइक वी
so
मतलब वो यहाँ ऐसे होता है कि we are well off but it's not that we can spend a lot on everything but there are some things for
yeah
example education and healthcare वहाँ पे we are not compromising वहाँ पे like
yeah
अगर लड़का अगर देख रही कुछ हो
जितना
सकता
भी
है तो
yeah
we'll pay up सेम चीज यहाँ
Yeah,
भी है
like
हाँ
I have everything in my house that I need, everything in my
हाँ
life. I went to the best school in Bombay, all of
हाँ
that. But spending how much I'll tell you, wait. My tuition fee, meaning like just for taking my subjects,
हाँ
getting taught in class, was
हाँ
$12,500.
fuck. That's
Yeah.
like that's I convert
That's
that's a lot
yeah. My food, I had a meal plan. Now a meal plan is basically you get to eat in the canteen, basically a canteen of the college.
हाँ
ऑफ योर डॉर्म तेरा डॉर्म का कॉलेज अरे कैंटीन रहेगा उधर ब्रेकफास्ट लंच डिनर कॉफी सब है तेरा ग्रोसरीज एवरीथिंग लाइक it's all that you could ask for all that a
हाँ
student needs
हाँ
everything is there
हाँ
right great food also if you want to
हाँ
be healthy you can be healthy also
हाँ
right so my meal plan was there that cost me $5,000 so for 6 months of eating or 5 months of eating in these 5 months it cost me $5,000 then my stay was $4,500
damn
so it comes up to $21,000 फिर तेरा flights भी आता है उसमें plus your flights plus your like clothing that you're buying now if you take a trip to जैसा like you go somewhere then
हाँ
like all these things adding up per year it comes up to a good $50,000
बहुत
and that's a lot of fucking money
बहुत ज़्यादा
and my first sem was so bad bro मैं तो रोने लगा था bro मतलब घर जा रहा था so August I left for Penn State December I was coming back कान फट गई bro मतलब I've never been I wasn't even scared because see like my house is quite supportive like if I reassure them that yes I'll do it they're like they trust me enough so I was like देख mom dad को संभाल लूंगा but मेरा क्या मतलब like
हाँ हाँ
what about Karan like what the
हाँ
fuck is gonna happen to
हाँ
Karan
मतलब मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को तो एक अश्योरेंस दे दूंगा
yeah
मतलब लेकिन अपने अंदर जब सेल्फ टॉक करूंगा ना वो
exactly
मेरे अंदर वाला बंदा
exactly
मुझसे बोलेगा चूती तो क्या कर रहा था क्या करके आ गया 6 महीने गांड और
exactly
डाली तूने वो
exactly bro
हाँ
and like I spent a lot of time wasting my like I had great friends there. I had a girlfriend also there, and like I spent a lot of time on like going out, staying in with like my friends, playing. Bro, FIFA इधर भी खेलते हैं बॉम्बे में, but I used to play FIFA there for 8, 8, 9, 9 hours with my friends. I had three main like I have 4, 5 main boys there. Like the boys group होता है ना जो
हाँ
उसमें से हम 4 लोग जो थे 4 फीफा खेलते थे
हाँ
और वो वी ऑन संडेज तो सुबह सो वी हैड समथिंग कॉल्ड द रेक रूम recreation रूम उधर
हाँ
फीफा फॉर लाइक $2 an hour
हम्म
or and on weekends it was $5 yeah
हाँ
$5 an hour
हाँ
you can play FIFA and we used to play for 8, 8, 9, 9 hours straight.
हाँ
2 on 2 खेलते थे हम लोग.
हाँ हाँ
8, 8, 9, 9 घंटा खेलते थे, bro.
आई पा
And like it was madness. I used to can all my responsibilities. I missed
हम्म
every Monday morning lecture there was. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I had my psych introduction to psychology class. It's
हाँ
called Psych 100.
हाँ
1 second, huh, bro?
हाँ
अभी I'm recording. हाँ.
कोई बात नहीं
So
हाँ
Psych 100 class
हाँ
है, yeah.
हाँ
So वो Psych 100 class. That's my brother, by the way,
हाँ
Abhinav.
हाय
हाँ.
गए आप तो
Yeah.
हाँ
That Psych 100 class, Monday, Wednesday, Friday was a 9 a.m. and I used to
हाँ
fuck around a lot, bro. Like stay up till 4, 4, 5, 5 doing nothing. ऐसा भी नहीं कि 4 बजे तक like I used to do next level shit. कुछ नहीं, bro. I used to just like be out. जो free रहता था उसके साथ बाहर घूमता था मैं.
हाँ
Used to go for walks, whatever nonsense, man. I used to do all
हाँ
this stupid shit.
हम्म
And like it was just all in all, to cut it short, like I fucked up big time, right? And then I went into the next sem thinking that okay, now I have to do better.
हाँ
And so Penn State, my guidance counselor there, like you get assigned a counselor.
हाँ
So my counselor called me and she sat with me and she was like, Karan, do you realize that this is probably one of the most horrible GPAs you can get? I was like, yes. She was like, do you realize that if you continue this in your second semester, you're going to be put on a warning? I was like, what does a warning mean? So a warning is when you do not meet the requirements of a 2.0 minimum, you get something called a warning. Now, if you get 2 warnings, you get a
Okay.
suspension, meaning that एक semester के लिए तेरे को पढ़ाई नहीं करना है. Meaning you
अच्छा.
can't stay in college and you cannot study in Penn State for 1 semester.
Okay.
If you come back after that semester, if you come back and you still don't maintain a 2.0, then you're kicked out. Right? So that's the level. Now she called me and she's like, if this happens in your second semester, you're gonna get a warning, and that's not good. So then second sem also I fucked around quite a bit, but I'd taken easier classes like in my second semester. So I managed to get a 2.3, 2.4, which was way better, right?
Way better, exactly.
But still not good,
Still, हाँ
obviously,
मतलब
but better.
हाँ
So I made the no warning cut.
हाँ
And then I came back. I took another extra couple of classes in the summer, which I got a 3.0 in. So I did well in that also. And then I went back, and my mom and dad were like, ठीक है चलो, मतलब पहला
कर
सेम
रहा है.
था, हक दिया था उसने, होता है. He's
अब
doing way
बेहतर कर
better.
रहा है. हाँ
हाँ. And then my third sem, I got a 1.89 because I fucked up again. So yeah, same first semester nonsense I was doing there, and that's when my mom and dad were like, "Bro, this is too much. Come back.
वापस आ जा.
It's not worth it. Don't fuck around." Yeah, I fought it. I fought a lot. I cried a lot. I argued a lot. But now that I think of it, bro, if not for that, like now whenever I see myself doing the same stuff, even once or twice, if I catch myself like on the weekends, if I'm like out too late and all, and I just like I can see it like, okay, Karan,
हाँ
you're you're going towards the chaos portion of your life again.
हाँ
So that like I catch myself.
हाँ it's basically
Yeah,
हाँ
so
मतलब
that's the
so it's basically your it's the dark twin that you don't want to face again.
yeah, definitely not, bro. Definitely.
हाँ
I'm chaotic, bro. Like I'm supremely chaotic. Like I have to like be very aware of what I'm doing. But yeah, the conclusion to that story, I came back. I worked for a lovely company called Suckin Eco Straws, which makes stainless steel and bamboo straws. And it's the Ria Chabria was the founder of the company. Very like one lady in her 20s who started it, and she needed an intern. And I just randomly happened to follow. So I follow her sister, her cousin, on Instagram. And her sister on Instagram put up a post. And right when I'd come back from Penn State, January 15th, I came back.
हाँ
and Jan 28th or 29th, I saw this on
हाँ
Instagram, and I was like, fuck it, like, let's just apply, bro. Worst case scenario, like, I don't get it.
हाँ
And another worst case scenario, I join it and it's horrible. But
हाँ
what's the worst, like, that could happen, bro?
हाँ मतलब जिंदगी ने
हाँ,
इतनी लात
sorry,
मारी
there
दी
was
है
some
मतलब
audio. हाँ. Yeah, मतलब, like, अभी इससे ज्यादा
इससे
खराब क्या हो सकता है,
मतलब रॉक
bro?
बॉटम तो
Like,
हिट कर चुके हैं, अब ऊपर ही जाएंगे,
exactly,
इससे
like
नीचे तो
there's
आएंगे नहीं
only
वापस।
exactly इससे नीचे तो जाऊंगा नहीं यार.
हाँ
And so I called her and I was like asking her what the job is about, and I was so like, bro, there was so much. Nobody was pressurizing me, but my
हाँ
psychologically only I
हाँ
was so
हाँ
like, bro, I have to do something.
हाँ मतलब
That
हाँ ये ये
I just
होता
told
है,
her I'll do whatever.
ये होता है, पता है, लाइक आई कैन ऑल्सो रिलेट मैसिवली टू दिस, दैट देयर इज नो प्रेशर ऑन यू टू डू समथिंग, बट एक खुद का एक स्टैंडर्ड होता है जो सेट कर लिया होता है इंसान ने कि यार इतना तो मीट कर लो यार,
Yeah.
व्हाट आर यू डूइंग,
इतना yeah,
इतना तो करना
yeah,
चाहिए ना
इतना
तुम्हें।
bare
हाँ
minimum तो I have to
हाँ
do. So
हाँ
then I called her and she was like, I was like, what are the work hours? She was like 9 to 5, 9 to 6. I was like, cool.
हम्म
She was like Monday to Friday hai, and she's like, I usually work the weekends also. I was like, bro, ये जो भी हो मैं कर लूंगा.
हाँ
Like, I don't care about anything else in my
हाँ
life.
हाँ
And she was like, fine, come, just on 20, on I think 30th, she called me and she was like, just come see the like, she was working from a house only.
हाँ
So like, come see the house, see what the product is, figure, like, I'll explain the work to you and all. I was like, cool.
हाँ
मैं गया सब, like, everything was like great. I was like, fuck, this is a great product, and like, it was really cool.
हाँ
So I was like, fuck it, I have to join. And I joined, and probably one of the best experiences of my life, bro. Like, I've not learned more about business. I went, I'm a talker, right? Like, as you can probably
हाँ
say by
हाँ
now.
हाँ
I used to go talk to, by like after 2 3 months, I started like going to meetings on my own, talking to restaurants about buying those straws. Sorry.
हम्म
Talking to clients also, talk like online Amazon. I set it up, like she did the whole setup, but like I started like playing around with the pricing
हम्म
and stuff like that, right? Like, it was a lot of fun,
हम्म
and like I didn't feel like I was going to work, like,
हम्म
so it was amazing. But then May, June-ish, my dad and my mom were like, okay, now you have to like consider getting a degree, because right now you don't even have a BA. So
हम्म
you should probably like get one. And I correspondence course I could have done, and एक साल ही करना पड़ता. But मतलब घर पे बैठे बैठे खाली मतलब final exam देने जाओ, बस वही
हाँ
था.
हाँ
But I didn't want to do that. I was like, if I'm doing it, I got to do it the right way. Otherwise, my entire life I'll feel like I
हाँ
felt like I had to do college properly. You know what I mean?
हाँ
Like, I don't want to feel that I have not done this. Like,
हाँ
maybe 2 years later, maybe 3 years later than everybody else, but at least like I'm doing it right.
हाँ
Yeah. So yeah, that's about it. And now I'm in my fourth semester of NMIMS JD Sola Liberal Arts.
हाँ एंड आई एम इन माय सेकंड सेमेस्टर, मैंने अभी तक
हाँ.
कॉलेज देखा भी नहीं है, तब बुरा लग रहा है ना
या ब्रो, दैट्स सैड ब्रो.
वो।
अरे चलता है ब्रो,
हाँ
कुछ ज्यादा तोड़ू है नहीं, मतलब
अरे बट
ठीक है,
स्टिल
अच्छा है. होटल,
टेल मी
तू
अबाउट इट।
होटल गया है? हैव यू एवर स्टेड इन अ होटल?
हाँ सब ये कहते हैं कि
हाँ,
एनएमएमएस
बस
होटल
होटल
है।
है, होटल है, होटल है. वो ऐसा कुछ क्रेजी नहीं है.
अच्छा अच्छा, हाउ इज मतलब नाउ दैट यू मतलब यू अटेंडेड ऑफलाइन क्लासेस आल्सो एंड नाउ यू आर अटेंडिंग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस आल्सो, तो व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस मतलब कॉलेज की पढ़ाई में, क्योंकि मैंने स्कूल की क्लासेस ऑफलाइन अटेंड करी, कॉलेज की क्लासेस ऑनलाइन
हम्म.
अटेंड कर रहा हूँ, अब मैं तो कहीं कंपैरिजन ड्रॉ कर नहीं पाता। हाउ इज दैट वर्किंग आउट, मतलब एस ऑफलाइन मतलब मेरे मतलब मुझे जो एक्सपेक्ट होता है ना, व्हाट आई सी इज कि बहुत सारे कोर्सेज में हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, तो मुझे तो देख के लगता है कि ब्रो ये क्लास
हम्म.
अगर ऑफलाइन हो रहा होता तो मेरा अलग ही दिमाग फट रहा होता, मुझे अलग ही मजा आ रहा होता क्लास में, लेकिन
ब्रो,
ऑनलाइन में कुछ
अलग
है नहीं
मजा,
बट
लाइक,
क्या सीन है।
so I'll tell you what, bro, this is my like idea of what has happened, right?
हम्म
Everybody post pandemic, no, once their college and all started,
हम्म
everybody's had so much pressure of doing so much stuff in life,
हम्म
because now people are like, घर पे बैठे हो तो कुछ करो.
हाँ
And online classes don't feel productive. You get it?
यस
Even when you're लाइक लेट्स से कोई ऑफिस जा रहा है, ठीक है, ऑफिस में भी अगर उनका डेस्क जॉब है,
हम्म
अभी डेस्क जॉब पे भी अगर तू स्क्रीन देख के 6 घंटा 7 घंटा 8 घंटा काम कर रहा है,
हम्म
तू घर से बाहर निकला है, समझ रहा है,
हम्म
you're going out of your house, you're going to work, you're sitting down, once you wake up you're like
हम्म
नहा रहा है, धो रहा है, ब्रश करता है, कपड़े पहनता है,
हाँ
all of that stuff, you're taking the journey to office,
हम्म
and like you're 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 looking your best, all that stuff, right? You have to do all of that,
हम्म
so that feels like a task psychologically.
हाँ, वो फिजिकल एनवायरनमेंट
इधर
चेंज होता है ना पूरा, तभी तो इंसान जिम जाता है।
एग्जैक्टली
हाँ
मेरा होम वर्कआउट कुछ काम का नहीं था ब्रो, मैं पक गया घर पे वर्कआउट, मेरे से
हाँ
नहीं होता है,
हाँ
नहीं होता है ब्रो, आई
हाँ
एम नॉट दैट पर्सन.
वही।
So like the idea is that I feel everybody feels like they have to do so much all the time now, bro.
हम्म
That like ये थोड़ा मतलब complicated हो गया है, bro. Like people don't, I don't feel the sense of accomplishment when I go. Bro, you know what? I'll tell you something funny.
हम्म
When I used to go to college now, bro. Like anybody from my batch you'll ask ना, they'll know. मतलब मैं lunch carry करता था, स्नैक्स कैरी करता था, अपने
हाँ
2 ब्रेक है, राइट.
हाँ अच्छा
आई कैरीड माई, आई यूज्ड टू वेक अप, सपोज 8 बजे का लेक्चर था, मैं 6:45 उठ जाता था, नहा धो के ब्रश करके कॉफी पी के खाना खाता. आई यूज्ड टू ईट लाइक 2-3 फुल एग्स. I used to have like a fruit also, and another fruit on my way to college. And in college, like I used to take notes, and taking notes, and plus like in my break, I used to eat like my own snacks. घर से बिस्किट विस्किट लेके आता था. फिर like lunch भी घर का करता था. Like I was so set as a person. I didn't lead the average college life, right? And maybe it's this hindsight bias that I'm having right now. Okay, oh, I was like doing
हाँ
cool shit earlier,
हाँ
but it's at
हाँ
least my idea. Like I used to
हाँ
feel nice
हाँ, बट ऑल्सो यू वर
कि
लाइक
आदमी.
ओल्डर देन मोस्ट ऑफ द फोक्स एंड इतना सब कुछ हो चुका था लाइफ में, सो आई गेस।
नहीं 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 ब्रो, ऐसा नहीं है. ऐसा, you know, there are other people in class also used to do the same thing.
अच्छा
I found it a big deal for me because I
हाँ
was never like this. You
हाँ
get it?
वही हाँ, दैट इज ऑल्सो
समझ
थिंग,
रहा है?
दैट इज ऑल्सो थिंग
Like
कि ये
मेरे लिए
लाइफ ट्रैक पे
टाइम पे
कैसे चल
उठना
रही है
मतलब
मेरी,
बड़ी बात है.
मेरी लाइफ ट्रैक पे कैसे
हाँ
चल रही
वही
है, आज
वही
तक कभी चली नहीं।
exactly
हाँ
exactly
हाँ
exactly, you hit the nail on the head.
यस
That's the idea.
हाँ
So like I feel like ये इधर sense of accomplishment ही नहीं है bro कॉलेज में.
हाँ
Like even if I got a good GPA I'd be like हाँ मतलब ऑनलाइन
हो
ही तो
गया
था यार.
हाँ
समझ रहा है?
हाँ। तो हाँ ये तो आई 100% अग्री। और पता है मेरी मतलब मुझे मतलब मैं एक लाइन कहता हूँ, कोई ऑनलाइन कॉलेज के बारे में पूछता है, मैं कहता हूँ मैं इंसान ऑनलाइन कॉलेज में पढ़ सकता है, सीख नहीं सकता। यू नो व्हाट आई मीन, आई एम लाइक मतलब
I get what you're saying.
मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं जो मतलब मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पढ़ा, क्योंकि कितना भी कह दें इंसान पढ़ाता तो एग्जाम के लिए ही है, टीचर भी बहुत हद तक एग्जाम के लिए ही पढ़ा रहा होता है कुछ सेंस में। लेकिन जब कुछ एक्टिविटीज जो होती हैं, जैसे फॉर
हम्म
एग्जांपल एक जब क्रिएटिव जैसे क्रिएटिव राइटिंग है, सो उसमें जैसे हमारा फर्स्ट सेम में क्रिएटिव राइटिंग था, तो उसमें व्हेनेवर वाजे सर लेक्चर दे रहे होते थे, तब तो ही इज
हम्म
टीचिंग यू फॉर द असाइनमेंट्स दैट इज गोना गिव, बट जब you actually have to put up a play or something like that, you have to pull up a skit, तो वहां पे there's something that you learn, वहां पे you actually work hands on stuff, तो
hmm.
that's
You
some।
know what's funny, bro? You know
हाँ
what's funny? How unlucky you are.
मतलब
Achut sir's creative writing class in physical, when we did it, no,
हाँ
it
हाँ
was amazing, bro. He made us write a play and he made us enact that play. He
हाँ
made us do all that shit, bro.
we saw that वो
Like he made us watch movies in person.
हाँ
A lot of us, bro. I also bunked a lot of his classes,
मतलब मैं तो
but
कोको था तो मैंने कभी बंक नहीं करी, आई वाज हिज कोर्स
हाँ
कोऑर्डिनेटर।
मैं अरे बट ऑनलाइन है ब्रो, तू बंक कैसे करेगा ब्रो?
हाँ ठीक
कैसे
है,
करेगा तू?
स्टिल
इट्स
हाँ
वेरी डिफिकल्ट.
हाँ
Like it's you can, but like
हाँ सीन हो जाता
it's
है
not.
बहुत होता है।
Yeah. So
हाँ
like we used to like chill outside, bro. कितना बाहर कॉलेज के मतलब क्लास बंक करके बाहर ही बैठे हैं. बाथरूम बोल के मैं आधा 1 घंटा बाहर बैठ जाता था.
अरे
So like you get it, like there's a lot like you can do, but and that's the fun, bro, of college, like going outside with your friend and sitting and like
हाँ
maybe just going walking around the floor and all. Like I don't know. I don't want to be one of those people who says, "Oh, wo college ke din" type person.
हाँ
That's just too like cringy.
हाँ
But
हाँ
it somewhat is that. Like
हाँ
right now, I don't even feel, bro. I don't even feel connected to my friends, bro. Like I feel so disconnected from my friends.
हाँ
Like all the boys from college came home. Like वो लोग बॉम्बे आए थे अलग अलग.
cities
Like
से
Som करके एक है. Yeah,
हाँ I know हाँ
Som is the only one who stays here. Apart from
हाँ
that, everybody stays out of town.
हाँ
And like for a minute we didn't realize that fuck bro we are meeting after so long and like the same level of banter was not there for a day like after it came back but
हम्म
you get what I mean.
हाँ you lose that connection मतलब even I
Yeah man.
मतलब मैंने the amount of friends I've lost during the lockdown is a lot मतलब I can
But maybe then they weren't then your friends only na.
I don't मतलब ऐसा नहीं है like I'm not saying that they weren't कभी भी the thing is कि for example मैं मतलब I spent my school life with them ठीक है तब बहुत अच्छा लगा
Hmm.
तब बहुत मजा आया बट एक बार स्कूल लाइफ खत्म हो गई मतलब वो एक फिल्टरिंग प्रोसेस तो है मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं है कि जिससे नहीं मिले उससे दोस्ती टूट ही गई बहुत ऐसे लोग हैं जिनसे नहीं मिले बट दोस्ती है अभी भी वो लेवल के क्योंकि हम बात कर लेते हैं फोन पे हमारी 2 हफ्ते में भी एक बार बात हो रही है तो वी आर स्टिल हैविंग शेयरिंग दैट बॉन्ड बट कुछ लोग होते हैं जिनसे नहीं मिलता है इंसान तो फिर वो चला जाता है मतलब यू मत
But I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying.
हाँ
I,
तो
I I understand. See, I'm more of a you know what the kinetic person means.
हाँ मतलब
Like I need I if you're in my physical presence, I can like not talk to you for 5 years, but I will
हाँ
still like enjoy your physical presence. Like
हम्म
I'm not I
हम्म
love talking, but in person, like
हाँ हाँ
it's like more fun.
हाँ मतलब
So
मतलब मेरा सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये था जब लॉकडाउन स्टार्ट हुआ था यार लोगों को टेक्स्ट से मतलब मुझे लोगों को टेक्स्ट करने में मजा नहीं आता था मतलब
same bro.
इन पर्सन मतलब मैं तुम्हें बात करके इतना मजा मतलब इन पर्सन में तुम्हें बैठा लूंगा 1 घंटा तुम्हें पता भी नहीं
I know
चलेगा
what you mean.
आई कैन
I
चार्म
know
यू
what you mean,
बहुत
bro.
आराम से मतलब बीट एनी वन यू वांट टू सिट विद देम मतलब आई रिमेम्बर मैं कितना आई वाज 14 और 15 और समथिंग and my best friend lives just right opposite to me and I went to his place
Huh.
and his his chachu's some friend was there and he's like 30, 35, 40, and but he's some sort of a big shot, you know, he's into industry
Hmm.
mining and something like that, and we were just sitting and मतलब वहाँ तो ऐसे ही बच्चों से ऐसे थोड़ा बहुत पूछ ले क्या करते हो ये सब and then I was like मैं बचपन से इस किस्म का हूँ मैं I
Huh.
started talking to him. मैंने प्रॉपर उनसे कच्चा चिट्टा खुलवा लिया मैंने कहा सर आप कर मतलब मैंने उससे सर से पूछता कि व्हाट डू यू डू अच्छा व्हाट इज दिस अच्छा माइनिंग में ये कैसे होता है वो कैसे होता है मतलब 1.5 घंटे तक उस बंदे से मैंने सिर्फ सवाल पूछे उसने सिर्फ जवाब दिया और वो बंदा आज तक मुझसे इम्प्रेस्ड है वो साथ में बैठे
क्या
हुए हैं हम
बात
लोग मतलब वो मतलब मुझसे डबल एज के हैं बट ही सिटिंग विद मी
है.
चिलिंग विद मी कोई सीन ही नहीं है तो दैट आई गेट वो पर्सनल प्रेजेंस वाला वाइब मैच नहीं हो पाता
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah,
इतना
yeah. And I know what you mean, bro. Like, it's that it's a vibe, bro. Like, I understand
हाँ
what you mean. But that's like, you know what you're gonna feel, bro? You're gonna feel how people feel when they meet a girl online for
हाँ
like when they meet like somebody. I'm talking from a guy's perspective, so
हाँ
girl. Like my
हाँ
perspective, so girl. But
straight guy's
anybody who meets
perspective
like,
for political correctness.
oh, whatever, fuck, man. People will get it, bro. They'll figure it out, man.
Fuck political correctness. I don't like it anyway. But
Same.
yeah,
But you
हाँ,
get the point. Like,
yeah,
so it's like you meet some person online and you're like really impressed and all,
हाँ,
and like now that's what's happening with y'all. Like y'all are
हाँ,
meeting each other online and like wow, मतलब ये cool
हाँ,
रहेगा. When y'all
हाँ.
will meet in person, it's gonna be like the person who you thought was the coolest कोई मतलब गधा रहेगा, and the one who you will
वो
think like ये तो nerd था मतलब killer आदमी निकलेगा.
वो जिसको तुम कूल
It's
समझ रहे
gonna
हो
be
जो
like
गधा
that,
निकलेगा वो
bro.
मैं हूँ.
हाँ. That's okay, bro. It's okay.
मतलब
NMMS is a place for everyone, bro.
आ,
बहुत गधे हैं अपने क्लास. मैं भी I'm one of the kids who like people thinks is मतलब गधा है ऐसा.
मतलब सीन मतलब
चलता है
होता
bro.
ये है ना कि इंसान देख रहा सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू है इंसान को ठीक है और उस पे
Yeah, yeah,
इंसान
yeah.
कभी अपना गधापना दिखाता नहीं है वो दिखाता भी है तो
You
आयरॉनिकली
show your
गधा
best
हाँ
parts.
आयरॉनिकली गधा बनता है कि लोगों को लगे मैं इतना
Hmm.
स्मार्ट हूँ कि मैं गधेपंती कर सकता हूँ लेकिन लोगों को ये रियलाइज नहीं होता कि मैं एक्चुअली गधा हूँ मैं
it's okay bro, चल जाता है, तू टेंशन मत ले bro, सब गधे ही है हम लोग, don't worry about it.
अच्छा, टेल मी सम स्टोरीज, कॉलेज में क्या हुआ, मतलब इफ देयर इज, मतलब मुझे तो
This NMIMS college.
एनएमआईएमएस हो, पेन स्टेट हो, क्योंकि विथ यू बीन वेरी, मतलब मुझे पेन स्टेट की कोई कहानी सुननी है। पेन स्टेट में
Bro,
हाउ
I
मच?
think people think I have too many like crazy stories, but I don't, bro. Like, it's just the way I portray them. It sounds crazy because I'm like,
स्टिल मतलब
I
कुछ तो हुआ होगा, लाइक इवन मतलब
I
पेन
don't know,
स्टेट में
man. Like,
हाउ
I
हाउ हाउ मेनी देसी कोट एंड कोट स्टूडेंट्स वर देयर विद यू इन योर बैच?
how many what students?
देसी लाइक इंडियन, बांग्लादेश,
Desi,
पाकिस्तानी।
अच्छा, you mean all South Asia, Southeast Asia people,
हाँ,
मतलब
मतलब इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट
अपना
से, मतलब जो
अपने श्रीलंका,
जो
बांग्लादेश
ब्राउन
types.
होते हैं, जो हिंदी बोलते हैं, जो इंग्लिश को अपनी पर्सनैलिटी ट्रेट
हाँ
बना के
हाँ
वहाँ
हाँ
पे
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
गोरी लड़कियों को इम्प्रेस करना चाहते हैं वो।
Well, do you know there was like, so how it works that it's divided. Like, so luckily I had a good blend of Indian friends as an Indian friend group,
हाँ हाँ
and I had a blend of my dorm friends. All my dorm friends were like white, black, Latino. My
हाँ
roommate was
हाँ।
Mexican. And they weren't although
हम्म
my closest friends, but like I had a good mix of friends there. I
हम्म
had like three main friends, but all in all, like I was more or less friends with everybody.
हम्म
So how it works is like there were, I think I can say like per year, per let's say अभी 2021 में I would say let's say about 80, 90 people would be from, no wait bro, 15 20 about like 100 and 120 people from this region I would say
हाँ
every year go to
हाँ,
a
आउट
school,
ऑफ वहाँ पे।
go to each college.
अच्छा, वहाँ पे क्या
8,000 students 8,000 students a year I think go,
ओके।
like
हाँ
including all nationalities and
हाँ,
everything all inclusive.
अमेरिकन।
Arts से 9,000 students जाते हैं. It's like
हम्म
that.
हम्म। तो
So yeah,
मतलब
मतलब we
इट्स
had
काइंड
a blend of
एग्जॉटिक है,
everybody, bro.
एग्जॉटिक है तब भी, लाइक वहाँ पे साउथ एशियंस।
नहीं,
नहीं।
नहीं bro. Bro, I'll tell you what. One problem we have as Indian guys is that we don't know how to carry ourselves, bro. Like, we are not, bro. I'll tell you something very honestly. Let's say there are 20 girls from India and 20 guys from India that go. I
हाँ
can guarantee that out of those 20, at least 18, 15 to 18 know how to dress well, look good. Like, they're well, like,
हम्म
they can be like amazing.
हाँ
As opposed to fucking ये 20 में से दो लॉन्ड मतलब 18 तो लॉन्डे हो रहे थे ना, लॉन्डे,
हाँ,
like you know
लौंडे,
what I mean by
हाँ
लॉन्डे.
हाँ, मतलब
That's how
बाल
we
इधर
are,
उधर हो
bro.
रखे हैं, दाढ़ी आ रखी है, मतलब कोई कपड़ों का लिहाज है नहीं।
Dono, like, yeah, they'll wear like a really like classy jacket, but it doesn't fit them well.
हाँ
You get
हाँ
it?
हाँ
Like
हाँ
एक गुची का जैकेट पहनेगा,
हाँ
but शोल्डर इधर आ रहा है,
हाँ
मतलब उसको
हाँ
पता नहीं है. Like,
हाँ
you get it?
हाँ, जो
Don't
जो नाइकी
bother
को नाइक
about
बोलते हैं,
keeping.
जो नाइकी को नाइक बोलते हैं।
Yeah, like if
हाँ
they have a beard, it'll be
हाँ
unkept, bal,
हाँ
like,
हाँ
like one particular hairstyle.
हाँ
It's just 1 second, man.
हाँ
दीदी खोल दोगे please?
हाँ हाँ
Sorry, huh, bro.
हाँ, कोई नहीं, हाँ
Yeah, so that's the problem with like, I
हाँ
think I might be stereotypical about it, but this is my observation, like
हाँ
more or less.
हाँ, आई मीन पता है, आई गेट इट, मतलब वो होते हैं ना जनरल, जिनके पापा के पास 4 फॉर्च्यूनर होती है और 3 4 जमीनें होती हैं, एक बेच के एक बच्चे को भेज दिया, जाओ तुम पढ़ के आओ, वो बच्चा वहां जाके क्या कर
Maybe
रहा है?
like that I can't really like this what you're talking about you might have more knowledge about, but I'm saying from like
I'm just making a joke, मतलब
I'm
तो।
saying from like my friend circle perspective also,
हाँ
like there are very few. I think one of the problems with Indian guys only in general is that we're not like very good with carrying ourselves.
हम्म
Like I think there should be some sort of, bro, I also think it comes from the fact that like a lot of us are supposed to be just like the whole concept of guys are supposed to do like get degrees and get jobs and all and like provide for families.
हम्म
That has trickled down to it doesn't matter how you
हाँ
dress, look, speak,
हाँ
as long as you have a good job. I
हाँ
don't, this is like a very
हाँ
basic. I'm very like narrow tunnel vision type, but this is
हाँ
my idea.
हाँ इट्स लाइक
As
हाँ
opposed to like,
इतनी बड़ी
it's the
प्रॉब्लम सर
opposite
पे
for
डाल दी
girls,
है,
right?
इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम सर पे डाल दी है कि की सुपरफिशियल प्रॉब्लम के बारे में सोच ही नहीं रहे आपकी।
Exact. Personality
जबकि हाँ
development पे किसी को
हाँ
फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है.
हाँ लोगों को लगता है
You
पैसे आ
get it?
जाएंगे तो समाज में वैसे ही इज्जत बन जाएगी, बट
Yeah.
जब वो दिखाने ही नहीं आएगा, मतलब यू हैव टू सिग्नल, मतलब एक वो सिग्नल होता है, यू हैव टू
I
सिग्नल
know
योरसेल्फ
what you mean.
एक
I know
एक
what you mean.
एक सोशल
You got to
सिचुएशन में भी।
carry yourself.
हाँ यू हैव टू कैरी योरसेल्फ। मतलब आज करण और सिद्धांत अगर पॉडकास्ट में ढंग से मतलब गलत तरीके से बैठे हैं या तो कोई बात पे भी ध्यान नहीं
हाँ.
देगा उनकी।
Yeah, what did I tell you? Like I told you, like I wanted to keep the beard, but
हाँ
usually if I record a podcast, on an average, I shave. I comb
हाँ
my hair after right after a bath. I record it.
इवन
Like people are, if they're looking at me, I might not be the most good-looking guy, but at least I should look
हाँ
presentable.
हाँ हाँ
अभी बाल ऐसा करके आऊंगा कौन देखेगा
हाँ
bro?
मैं हाइजीनिक तो हो सकता हूँ कम
Like
से कम।
exactly, like that's the idea, and that's what we don't like. I think one of the biggest things that guys have to now I think it's changing, but it's the idea that you gotta like it's the opposite for girls, right? They're always
हाँ
told to like look your best and be thin
हाँ
and blah blah blah
हाँ
whatever
हाँ
the whole systemic shit, but
हाँ
is what it is, right? I
हाँ
think that's the idea, at least in my
हाँ
perspective,
हाँ
which is why I think like we don't pay attention to like acha bro, wear a t-shirt that fits you,
हाँ
wear a pair of jeans that are nice, they fit you, wear a good
हाँ
pair of shoes, don't wear your sports shoes and go to a
हाँ
party, or like even if not that, I think these are very like superficial things in life in general,
हाँ
but I think there is like it comes from the idea that like you don't always have to be one unidimensional
हाँ
in life. Like
हाँ
there is more to life than just getting
हाँ
a job and like it's that's why arranged marriages, bro. I think that's like कोई मिलेगी नहीं, like
हाँ मतलब
कोई मिलेगी ही नहीं ना bro.
मतलब आई टेल यू समथिंग, मतलब व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल इंपॉर्टेंस मैं पिन पॉइंट करके बताता हूँ, ठीक है। द थिंग इज विथ ह्यूमंस ना, वी आर सोशल क्रीचर्स, तो ऑन सम लेवल यू हैव टू इंटरेक्ट विद द पीपल अराउंड यू, ठीक है। एंड एंड उसके बाद तो अब फॉर एग्जांपल मैं एक किसी गैदरिंग में जाता हूँ, ठीक है, वहां पे मैंने ढंग से कपड़े, मतलब वहां पे लोग मुझे कैसे जज करेंगे, हर किसी ने तो मुझे 1 घंटे तक सुना नहीं है, तो वो मुझे जज नहीं, तो वो नहीं जानते हैं, तो वो ढूंढेंगे माइक्रो सिग्नल, वो ढूंढेंगे चीप सिग्नल्स, वो कहेंगे अच्छा सिद्धांश है, मतलब अब करण सिद्धांश को जानता नहीं है, ठीक है, सिद्धांश आता है करण के घर पे मर्सिडीज लेके, अच्छे से कपड़े पहन के आता है, उसके बिस्तर पे बैठता है, उससे बात करता है, और बताओ कैसे हो, मतलब एकदम क्या कहते हैं पूरे भारी टोन में,
तषण में
हाँ टशन में। तो करण करण मिल रहा है कि ये तो कोई भारी आदमी है, ठीक है, मैं जानता नहीं हूँ कुछ, जिसने मुझे जो दिखाया है उस बेसिस पे मैं इतना
हाँ
डिसाइड
या
कर लूंगा, ठीक है। ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी सिद्धांत आता है, पता नहीं कोई ढंग से गंदी, मतलब बेसिकली गंदे से कपड़े पहने हुए हैं और वो सब हुआ है, तो इन दोनों सिचुएशंस में करण कोऑपरेट किस इंसान से करेगा, कौन से वाले सिद्धांत से बेहतर करेगा, उसी से ना जिसने
the first
जिसने
one
जिसने
obviously,
बेहतर
yeah.
तरीके से, तो एंड एज अ ह्यूमन एवोल्यूशनरी नीड है कोऑपरेट करने की, तो अगर इफ यू डो नॉट हैव कोऑपरेशन, मतलब मैं तो बहुत सिंपल सा एग्जांपल ले लेता हूँ, अगर मेरे पास पॉडकास्ट पे गेस्ट नहीं है, मैं कब तक चला लूंगा अकेले, मतलब चलो इन ऑन द एंड से एक बार चला भी लूंगा, ठीक है, बट कोई सुनने वाला भी तो होना चाहिए,
Yeah,
कोई
I get it.
तो ऑन मतलब सोशल इंटरेक्शन चाहिए तुमको, उसके लिए तुम्हें दिखना पड़ेगा ढंग से तुमको, मतलब मैं अच्छा लड़कों के लिए तो उनको तो मतलब सेक्स चाहिए होता है, तुम्हें सेक्स भी चाहिए ना, तो उसके लिए भी कपड़े ढंग से पहनने पड़ेंगे भाई।
Yeah, you're narrowing it down to a very basic mind, but
मतलब
I get your point.
मतलब मैं तुम्हें भाई आई एम लाइक, मैं तुम्हें एकदम नीचे जाके बताता हूँ कि शुरुआत कहाँ से होती है और एग्जैक्टली क्यों चाहिए, पिन पॉइंट करके जो इसका एकदम अंदर का नीड है ना वो बता दूंगा, मतलब
Go ahead, I'm listening. I want to hear this. Bro, can I go fill myself another coffee?
Okay, we're back after the break.
Yeah, I filled myself another in the
Yeah.
honor of your podcast.
Yes.
We'll be able to cut it out or what?
मैंने Zoom की रिकॉर्डिंग पॉज कर दी थी, बाकी
अच्छा ठीक है, but I'll help you edit it out.
हाँ नहीं एडिटिंग
My apologies
कोई दिक्कत
for
नहीं,
my half-naked brother walking in.
if
Yeah,
you
we share a room, man.
if you're listening to this on an audio platform, you're missing out, जाओ YouTube पे देखो।
मार डालेगा वो मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, वो मेरे कत्ल कर देगा।
मुझे तो नहीं जानता है ना।
Nobody will know. He'll see it on my story, no? When I'll like story it or something, and he'll be like, "Is this the one where I walked in half naked, you asshole?" I'll be like, "Maybe, I don't know."
I don't know what's through 50 minutes of it to realize.
क्या मालूम, bro.
हाँ
But yeah, tell me, what were you saying, bro?
हाँ so
Where
मतलब
were we?
मतलब मतलब भाई वेयर हाउ why do you dress well? तो मतलब that's basically evolutionary. Okay. So
Hmm.
evolution. So I've been looking through evolutionary psychology since like 8 9 months now. I've been very
Hmm.
interested. मैंने मतलब जॉर्डन पीटरसन से लेके मैंने काफी मतलब मेरा इवन अभी एक आईसीए था साइकोलॉजी का. आई वाज टू डिजाइन अ पोस्टर. तो मैंने उस पर भी एवोल्यूशनरी साइकोलॉजी पे ही बनाया था. तो आई एम वेरी इंटरेस्टेड इन दैट. तो एवोल्यूशनरी साइकोलॉजी कहती है कि इंसान का दो एवोल्यूशनरी वाले पर्पस है. एक जिंदा रहना और एक रिप्रोड्यूस करना. तो अब तो अब रिप्रोडक्शन के लिए यू नीड टू हैव सेक्स. उसके लिए यू नीड टू अट्रैक्ट अ मेट. तो वो कहता है कि कुछ भी तुम जो भी कर रहे हो हर चीज की अंडरलाइंग मोटिवेशन है सेक्स. हर चीज का अंडरलाइंग
Absolutely.
मोटिवेशन हर चीज का
I
अंडरलाइंग हाँ
completely agree.
हाँ
I know. Yeah.
हर चीज का अंडरलाइंग मोटिव इज टू मतलब अट्रैक्ट मेट. मतलब इवन व्हेन यू टेक पे मतलब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई वर टू गिव एन एग्जांपल. तो जो मेल पीकॉक का प्लूमेज होता है ना दैट डजंट डू एनीथिंग. दैट इजंट यूटिलिटेरियन. उससे कुछ फर्क
Yeah.
नहीं पड़ता.
It's just attractive.
इट्स जस्ट टू अट्रैक्ट अ मेल. मतलब तो मेट तो उस मेल पीकॉक ने प्लूमेज का पेन लिया. तो फीमेल कहेगी इसने इतना पेन ले लिया तो ये मेरे बच्चे भी संभाल सकता है. तो आई कैन गो हैव सेक्स विद हिम. तो अगर इफ आई वर टू ड्रॉ अ स्ट्रेट कंपैरिजन मैं कहूंगा कि लड़कों तुम सही से ड्रेस होने का पेन ले लो. तो एवोल्यूशनरी लेवल पे वो चीज सिग्नल हो जाती है. और तुम्हारी सेक्सुअल विजिबल मतलब सेक्सुअल विजिबिलिटी और वो सब सब कुछ बढ़ जाता है वहां पे. मतलब आई एम बुचरिंग इट टू सम एक्सटेंट बट दैट इज द बेसिक
No,
आइडिया.
yeah, you're right, you're right. But like, I'll be honest with you, bro. I as much research as you have done about this, I can guarantee that even if maybe not equal, but just slightly lesser,
हाँ
I have done into
हाँ
this. I
हाँ श्योर.
100% agree with you in the entire thing, right? I've read Peterson's book also.
12
I've
rules for
like,
life.
yeah,
हाउ इज
I'm
इट? मैंने कभी नहीं पढ़ी वो.
100%. See, I told you I live in chaos, right? Like
हाँ
I'm
हाँ
borderline chaotic in life.
हाँ
Like if let
हाँ
loose, I'll go insane.
हाँ
So it's a good measure to live by if right now you're in chaos. Like if right now your life is going like hell, then it's a good starting point and it's like it's a good way to conduct yourself till the time at least you have your life in somewhat order. Then you should move on to more high level
हाँ.
stuff in life.
Are you planning
But
on
like,
getting the other 12 more rules वाली book that is recently released?
नहीं bro, इतना नहीं होता रीडिंग मेरे से bro. Maybe somewhere down the road I will, but नहीं,
Okay, yeah, sorry, हाँ continue.
बहुत हो जाएगा bro.
हाँ.
मैं गिन के 5 बुक पढ़ा है उसमें से 2 चेतन भगत के. So yeah.
अरे हाँ पता है मतलब मैं भी मतलब मैं आई वाज सेटिंग माय बुक्स द अदर डे. मैंने वहां लगाई हुई है. तो मतलब उस बुक मतलब मेरे बुक शेल्फ की एक तरफ क्या रखी है भगवत गीता. ठीक है. और ऑपोजिट
हाँ.
एंड पे क्या रखा है चेतन भगत. मैंने कहा क्या बात है. एक तरफ मतलब ह्यूमैनिटी की सबसे मतलब जो अब उच्च दर्जे की किताब
One
मानी
of the
जाती है.
most, yeah,
हाँ
yeah.
भगवत गीता. और दूसरी तरफ ने क्या रखा है चेतन भगत. हद हो गई.
बट ब्रो वो मेरे जैसे आदमी ब्रो देख I love watching movies and stuff like that. But
हाँ
reading, like if I'm reading, I want to read a very basic thing. Like I just want to, I would read to pass my time. You get what I
हाँ
mean?
हाँ
Like I don't read with a purpose as such.
हाँ हाँ
So like
हाँ
it's a good way to, I would
पास
say
टाइम.
like when I start, not only pass time because I have a lot, bro. I do like YouTube videos देखता हूँ मैं. I'm
हाँ
like always like doing dumb shit
हाँ
all the time. Like I'm either going out or I'm like talking or I'm like doing college work. So there's not much time
हम्म
in the day. So reading, I don't really have this thing, but I would say it's a good way to feel a little calm
हम्म
because it doesn't. Chetan Bhagat books don't require you to think; they just require you to consume.
हाँ
And if you want to take a little breather from life, if you switch your phone off, your laptop off, everything, take like thoda breather, and you read his book, I would say, bro, that's like, it's nothing
हाँ
like it, bro. Like,
हाँ, इट्स ओके, मतलब इट्स एंटरटेनिंग यार, ऐसा ऐसा भी नहीं।
yeah, yeah, yeah.
मतलब हाँ, मतलब आई एम नॉट द वन जिसको मतलब ग्रामर का उतना पड़ा है।
मेरे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
हाँ
I don't give a rat's
ठीक है,
ass.
मतलब हाँ, मतलब अब नहीं
You
पढ़,
see the way I talk.
हाँ हाँ
You see
हाँ,
the way I talk.
अब नहीं पढ़ता मैं, अब आई डोंट, मतलब अब मैं फॉर फन आई डोंट रीड। अब मुझे टाइम पास करना होता है तो मैं पता नहीं, कुछ नहीं, वही
No, I
अगेन
understand.
आई
I
पुट अप अ
understand what you mean.
पॉडकास्ट, मैं पॉडकास्ट सुन लूंगा, तो वैसा रहता है, कोई
Yeah.
कॉमेडी पॉडकास्ट सुन लूंगा मैं, तो
But as to what I was saying, I'm sorry I'm cutting you off, bro, but
हाँ सॉरी
before
सॉरी,
it slips out of my mind.
हाँ सॉरी,
So, all these evolutionary things and this entire concept of females being the
हाँ
people who accept, or like they are the ones who are the
हाँ
selectors. You get what I
हाँ
mean?
हाँ हाँ,
Gatekeepers of
they have the sexual resource,
reproduct.
they have the reproductive resource,
Yeah, they are the ones. Let's say like females are the ones who
their
decide
babies,
who gets to reproduce,
हाँ
right?
हाँ exactly,
As opposed to it's like a guy who is
हम्म,
trying to impregnate every woman. A
हाँ
girl decides which is the best person to get
person,
impregnated by.
हाँ
All that stuff. I agree with it, and I think most of human life, not most, almost everything
हाँ
human beings have ever done,
हाँ
from creating this glass. Let's say I can definitely make sure that I'll tell you what connection when you mean everything is related to sex, like having like this glass is as an example, right? It's a cool looking glass. You
हाँ
would buy this glass in your house to have a better crockery set, which looks
हाँ
better, which
हाँ
increases your social status,
हाँ
which increases your
हाँ
chances of getting
um,
famous or more
हाँ
powerful, or
हाँ
and that increases the chance of you
हाँ
getting laid.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
Right?
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली, वही
Makes
तो,
sense.
हाँ
But
पर, हाँ
I feel that although we should understand this,
हाँ
I think it's a bad measure to live your life by.
हम्म
For like because I for a brief year I thought like this and I lived like this
हाँ
with the idea of, oh, I have to be this guy, and oh, I have to be the powerful guy, and oh, I have to
हाँ
be the
हाँ
strong, mentally strong.
हाँ
That's good, all well and good, but that's then the only thing you're living for
हाँ
is that. Then like
हाँ
you rather than chasing like purpose all the time, you should chase meaning, happiness, and like serenity in general, bro. Like
हाँ
what gets you to be peaceful in the long run.
हम्म
Like just being attractive to women is not the only thing you
हाँ
should be worried
यस
about.
एग्जैक्टली, वो वही
Just
अगेन,
getting a good job for looking good in society is not what you should like.
हाँ
You get it?
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, वही तो, द थिंग विद दैट इज, जो सेक्स वाली ड्राइव है ना, दैट्स बायोलॉजिकल, वो तो तुम्हें पता भी नहीं है वो हो रही है,
Absolutely,
तो
absolutely.
अब उसके ऊपर there's society, there's culture that you build on, there's psychology that you work upon, तो मतलब this is a concept again, तो बायोलॉजी में कॉन्सेप्ट है जीन्स का, ठीक है, which are the basic building blocks of your human life. Richard Dawkins, he's an evolutionary biologist. He came up with the
I love him. I love him.
he came up with the concept of memes, not the internet memes.
What was that? God is
Uh,
what was his book's name?
I don't know, मैं, मुझे वो याद नहीं है, हाँ but
God, can I Google it quick? Can I quickly Google it?
हाँ you
You
can
say
Google
it
it,
till then, I'll
हाँ
Google
मैं
it.
समझाता हूँ, तो again the thing with,
हाँ.
he came up with this idea called memes. What are memes are ideas that are very compatible with your genes. So for example, the meme of religion, okay, the
Yeah.
biologically we want an answer to life, matlab meaning, stuff like that, we want purpose, we want authority to over us, and religion exploits that very well. Religion तुम्हें बताता है कि ये भगवान है, ये
Absolutely.
authority है,
Absolutely.
ये तुझे करना है, तो that's a meme. Marriage is a meme. Capitalism is a meme. Every idea that has been able to survive over the human species, all of it are memes that are very compatible with the genes. तो
Absolutely.
तो ढंग से जिंदगी तो तुम्हारे जीन्स पास ऑन हो, उसके लिए तुम्हें इंश्योर करना पड़ेगा कि तुम मीम्स के साथ चल रहे हो, क्योंकि होगा ये ना कि जितने मीम्स बढ़ गए ना, तो your mimetic compatibility will be will
What compatibility?
mimetic compatibility. For example, अगर मतलब आज
What is? Okay,
मतलब
हाँ, okay, हाँ,
mimetic
meme,
मतलब
mimetic, हाँ, okay,
मीम
yeah.
से mimetic
हाँ, meme,
compatibility,
mimetic, yeah. I
अगर
got it,
अगर
now I got it,
mimetically
हाँ.
compatible हो गए दो लोग, तभी तो genetically कुछ कर पाओगे, वहां तक पहुंच पाओगे. तो you have to be तो you have to work
Fair
on
enough.
other things, और उस पर तो करना ही है काम. वो पिछला वाला अपने आप दिख
Hmm.
लिया जाएगा, कोई सीन नहीं है उसका. तो दैट्स व्हाट आई थिंक. मतलब बाकी
हाँ.
चीजों पे ध्यान दो, इमीडिएट चीजों पे ध्यान दो. अपना कमरा साफ करो, अपना हेयर कट करवाओ, नहा के आओ, वो सब करो. तो बाकी पिछली वाली चीजें तो हो
I get
जाएंगी.
it, I get it.
हाँ, डिड यू फाइंड द नेम ऑफ द बुक?
And I know what you mean. Yeah, the God Delusion.
द गॉड डिल्यूजन.
I had
व्हाट्स
read like 2 or 3 chapters of it.
व्हाट्स इट अबाउट?
So he's one of the biggest spokesperson for atheism. You know that, right?
ओह नो, आई डोंट एग्जैक्टली. मैंने उतना नहीं पढ़ा. आई हैव स्टडीड अबाउट द
Bro,
एप मीम्स आइडिया काफी.
so Richard, bro, if anybody listening is into the concept of atheism or just is trying to figure out what like
हाँ.
stage you are about what God is it real, whatever, whatever,
हाँ.
check out this guy, Charles Hawkins. Fuck, what is that?
डार्विन.
Chris, um, अरे
चार्ल्स.
Darwin तो that's evolutionary this thing. Christopher Hitchens, sorry,
Christopher Hitchens.
Christopher
Yes, I've heard of
Hitchens.
him. I've heard of him.
Yeah, Christopher Hitchens and Richard Dawkins are two people who vouch for atheism big time.
Uh-huh.
And if you want the other side of it, meaning God being
हाँ.
purposeful,
हाँ.
I think especially for Christianity, listen to Jordan Peterson. For Hinduism, listen to someone like Sadhguru,
हाँ.
and Chinmaya Swami was a guy who used to write a lot
Hmm.
and like was an atheist turned into a believer and all.
Hmm.
And Chinmaya Mission is the group.
Hmm.
So they talk about the purpose of life as in the concept of religion
Theology.
and
हाँ.
like in a good way. Yeah,
हाँ.
yeah. Once
हाँ.
my internet connection is bad, but it's fine.
It's fine.
We're recording.
हाँ.
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah.
मुझे तो पता है जॉर्डन पीटरसन की. आई लाइक दिस फैक्ट कि इवन इफ ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट रिलीजन और इन एनी वे, ही uses theology in a very good sense to give you life
Yeah,
advice.
yeah, it's a life lesson.
He's
I
like
like it.
वो stories हैं, तुम stories पे
It's
चलते हो.
yeah.
मतलब have you
Yeah.
seen his biblical वाले lectures?
Yes, I've heard all of them. Each and every one of
Have-
them.
how-
I've heard his
I-
maps of meaning lectures, everything.
मतलब मैंने शायद एक लेक्चर सुना, बहुत हैवी लेक्चर्स हैं वो.
ब्रो मैं नहाते नहाते सुनता था, गाड़ी चलाते चलाते सुनता था, सोने से पहले सुनता था, हकते हकते सुनता हूँ मैं. Yeah, bro, like that's not my everyday thing, but
हाँ.
I I
हाँ.
love stories.
हाँ.
Like I love stories that are unique. Like I used to sit and listen to all these Greek uh, mythology stories also, like all those Sisyphus guys and all these like Sisyphus is
हाँ.
that big boulder
हाँ.
guy.
He's like rolling
Yeah.
up the
The
boulder.
burden of bird,
हाँ.
yeah. Like I used to really enjoy. I still do. Like अभी थोड़ा, bro, अभी थोड़ा मतलब
Out of touch है, but
स्केल्टा जा रहा है मतलब. Yeah, but I love stories. Like I really love stories, and I really love to ponder over these stories. Like something that the story of Abel and Cain and like Kamil and what's in Islam or in the Quran? What are they? Kabil, Abel and Kabil. Kabil is one of the guys.
I don't know, man. I'm not into
Just let me
theology
Google
a
that
lot.
again, bro. So you know who Cain and Abel are, right?
No, I'm not into theology.
Oh, so very cool guys.
Okay.
Cain and Abel are from the Bible.
Okay.
Two brothers. One, Abel was given all the powers because God thought he was a good kid, and Cain was given nothing. I
Oh.
think except the curse he got after he killed his brother out of jealousy, and the curse was that he will never die. Like, so Cain lives on for I'm like paraphrasing, so if
हाँ
anybody knows the real story, please don't like come
हाँ
at me. But
हाँ
more or less, this seems like this is the idea.
हाँ.
And coincidentally, the Quran has the same story, bro.
Oh.
Kabil is the Abel guy,
हम्म.
like Abraham and Ibrahim.
हाँ हाँ
It's like that. It's all
हाँ
the same characters, bro. It's
हाँ
somebody should
हाँ
figure it out, man. Somebody should
हाँ.
figure out how it's the same thing.
Yeah,
If anybody knows,
both
then fucking message me,
both
bro.
are
Like,
Abrahamic,
explain it to
right?
me.
Christianity and Islam, both are Abrahamic religions. So I don't know, बहुत ज़्यादा similarities you can find, I
Yeah,
guess.
there must be some like. I wish there was some way to like go back in time and figure out like how it. You know
Actually
what I mean?
happened.
Like, yeah, like we all these speculations are there
हाँ
as to maybe like 2000 years back. This happened, that
हाँ
happened. Okay, fine. But what if we like went back in time and there was just two dudes writing a story and one was like,
हाँ.
bro, like
क्या
मेरे
क्या
को तेरा language जम नहीं रहा है,
हाँ
मेरे को
हाँ
दूसरे language में लिखने
हाँ.
का.
दो
One was
लोग.
like मेरे को right to left लिखने का है. The other one was like नहीं गांडू मेरे को left to right
लेफ्ट.
लिखने का है.
हाँ, दो लोग क्लास में बैठे हुए हैं, कॉपी कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे का, लेकिन ऑब्वियस
Yeah,
नहीं
and they
बनाना तो
started.
अलग अलग कर देते हैं उसको.
Yeah, bro. What if you never know, bro? What if is that
लेकिन
shit, bro? You never fucking know.
लेकिन टेल मी if we had a way to figure it out पीछे जाके, तो would
हाँ.
it have been इतना interesting?
Yeah, obviously.
फिर
Because
तो
it's
सब
still storybooks, right?
स्टिल मतलब, लेकिन अगर सब पता होता, कुछ फिगर आउट करने के लिए नहीं होता अपने पास, तो इंसान क्या
No,
करता?
no, I'm not that guy who is driven by curiosity. I'm driven by curiosity, but even if the curiosity is, the curious factor goes away, I'm still fine. Like I'll still love the concept equally.
हाँ, okay.
Like one of my biggest, like I was heavily into astronomy. I still am, but not to the same degree.
Astronomy or
The
astrology?
understanding astronomy. Who the fuck? Yuck, bro. Why would I be into astrology?
हाँ,
Ew.
good. हाँ, सही बात है.
Ew.
You.
Oh.
Okay, हाँ, sorry,
Oh
astronomy.
my.
हाँ,
Yeah, astronomy, stars,
stars.
planets,
हाँ,
sun,
हाँ, वो सब.
legit scientific
हाँ,
stuff,
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
proven stuff.
हाँ.
Yeah.
चम्मच को वो नहीं
So,
बोलते, चम्मच को भालू नहीं बोलते. चम्मच जैसा दिख रहा है उसको भालू
हाँ,
बोल दिया, क्या हद है यार ये. हाँ,
नहीं, yeah, like legit shit.
हाँ,
So, yeah, and like I was very curious, like bro, black hole में घुस गए क्या होगा ये वो. Like I'm curious,
हाँ,
and like people have like one of the most plausible theories is that like you'll get sucked in by gravity and like your body won't be able to handle it and
हाँ.
you'll stretch out and
Stretch, हाँ,
disintegrate or some
हाँ,
shit like
हाँ.
that. Yeah,
तो exactly.
seems like the most plausible one.
हाँ, मतलब सिंगुलैरिटी के मतलब वही बेसिकली वही जो एक्सप्लेनेशन है वो है कि सिंगुलैरिटी के पास पहुंचने तक लाइक इतनी ज्यादा हेवी
I think
ग्रेविटी है.
before that only you will die. Way before that you will
हाँ,
die.
मतलब but the thing is कि like for example सिंगुलैरिटी तक you're reaching, तो like the
हाँ,
legs पे ग्रेविटी एंड सर पे ग्रेविटी विल बी इतना डिफरेंट कि लेग्स ज्यादा तेज खींचने लगेंगे और सर नहीं खींच रहा होगा,
yeah, that
एंड देन
spaghetti thing.
यू विल स्ट्रेच इतना लंबा सा एंड
Yeah, is that you'll turn into spaghetti. So,
हाँ
when I was a kid, I hope fuck man, I wish I still had that book. So that kid meaning like fucking when I was 8 or 9,
हम्म,
there was I don't know, from somewhere somebody gifted me a book or something like that. I don't know, but it was like a book of astronomy for kids. So there's a very famous video floating around on the internet of comparison of Earth to sun, sun to the red giant to a supernova, all of that stuff, right?
हाँ
And that I knew about and I had like read about and like seen, like it was a colorful book, like it was a good itna jhada book tha, but
हाँ
of all visuals with like little bits of so I'll tell you what, I forgot the green giant or the green something it's called is one type of mass of body of mass in the space. If somebody knows, correct me.
हाँ
But the green giant or green something, as compared to a red giant,
हाँ
which is massive in size,
हाँ
but it's just hydrogen and helium and shit.
हाँ
So it's very light.
हाँ
And that the green giant is super small in size, but it's like
हाँ
super dense and heavy. So
हाँ
they showed a picture of a seesaw
हाँ
and red giant इधर है and green giant इधर है. तू
हाँ
समझ रहा है?
हाँ हाँ हाँ
So it's like for kids, right?
हाँ
So that book was so lit, bro. And like I
हाँ
every now and then I get reminded of it whenever I think of all
हाँ
this, and I miss that book, bro. I would read
हाँ
it like cover to cover again if I found it.
even I had this encyclopedia इतनी मोटी सी and I guess it was
हाँ.
about every subject that there is मतलब उसके हर पेज पे कोई एक चीज के बारे में लिखा होगा एक पेज या दो पेज बहुत सारी
Hmm.
पिक्चर्स और मतलब दैट encyclopedia बहुत मजेदार थी मतलब my dad got it for me and मतलब my dad has always been कि मतलब हमारे बच्चे सीखने चाहिए and stuff like that तो इतनी
Hmm.
मतलब encyclopedia आ गई every day he used to be like एक आर्टिकल पढ़ो या एक पेज पढ़ो and explain it to me what it is तो उस चक्कर में मैंने बहुत सारे क्या कहते हैं सब्जेक्ट्स के बारे में बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स के बारे में मैटर मतलब फिफ्थ सिक्स क्लास में होगा आई वाज स्टडीइंग अबाउट मैटर मतलब मुझे सॉलिड लिक्विड गैस उसके अलावा भी जो होता है वो भी
Yeah.
पता था तो मतलब वो कूल बॉय शिट हम लोग बचपन में ही कर रहे थे
Yeah. Like it's fun, bro. I wish it was just the same vibe. Like you learn because you get interested and nobody's like not because like you're
हाँ
given shit to learn.
मतलब आई गेस मेरी मेरी तो अभी वो वाइब चल रही है मतलब ये वाइब मैंने
I'm
लॉक
glad then I'm
हाँ
I'm I'm very very happy for you.
आई पिक्ड अप दिस वाइब इन लॉकडाउन समटाइम कि आई वाज लाइक मेरे पास कुछ करने को नहीं है तो मतलब मैं थोड़ा यूट्यूब सर्फ करने लगा ये सीखने लगा वो सीखने लगा मतलब आई एम लाइक अब मैं वही मज़े के लिए आई एम लिसनिंग टू पॉडकास्ट तो उसमें भी मैं कुछ साइकोलॉजी सोशियोलॉजी एवोल्यूशन कभी साइंस फिजिक्स
Yeah.
कुछ भी आई एम लाइक मुझे मज़ा आता है मुझे पढ़
And that's great, bro.
मतलब आई एम
That's
मतलब
how it should be.
एग्जैक्टली मैं मतलब मुझे जितने मज़े अपने असाइनमेंट्स करने में आते हैं ना कुछ कुछ जैसे इकोनॉमिक्स का असाइनमेंट लास्ट सेमेस्टर मुझे सारे करने में इतना मज़ा आया अभी आई एम राइटिंग दिस रिसर्च पेपर ऑन बॉलीवुड हाउ बॉलीवुड अफेक्ट्स द कल्चरल अनकॉन्शियस तो उस
Oh,
पे
that's too detailed, bro. That's I would die. Like it's so detailed. कैसे कर रहा
हाँ
है bro तू ये?
अरे आई एम पिकिंग अप आइडियाज मतलब मैं कार्ल यूंग एंड सुधीर कक्कड़ साइको एनालिसिस और ये सब आई एम रीडिंग दीज स्टफ एंड प्राइमरी रिसर्च भी होगा तो मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है
Too heavy, bro. मतलब I would take at least a full year. I would have to dedicate almost my entire 6 months out of a year. I would have to dedicate to that if I wanted that to be a good research. It's too difficult, bro. It's
मतलब
such a complex topic.
हाँ बट आई लाइक इट तो मतलब मैं थोड़ा बहुत आई डोंट थिंक कि मतलब आप भी मतलब मैं रिसर्च तो काइंड ऑफ कर रहा हूँ 6 महीने से मैं थोड़ा बहुत जान रहा हूँ इधर उधर से
Hmm.
बट हाँ थोड़ा फोकस्ड रिसर्च अभी और मांगता है बट स्टिल मतलब आई
Bro, what? Like you would, I guarantee that you would have such a good time doing it, but it's gonna be so complicated, bro. It's
हाँ
gonna be so fucking complicated. But it'll be fun, I guess. I don't know, man.
हाँ
You'll maybe
मुझे तो
maybe
मजा
you'll
आ रहा है
enjoy
मुझे
it.
आई डोंट मतलब ओके सो ऑन
Yeah.
दिस नोट वी हैव हिट व्हाट dude we've been recording for more than an hour now and I honestly I loved it मुझे बहुत मजा आया
No, same here, man. I had a fucking sick time,
मत
bro.
हाँ मतलब
In
ये
honor.
ये खाली है but still cheers but we're
Cheers,
doing
man.
this sometime again we're doing this regularly and
Bro.
once I'm
Yeah,
in
yeah.
college तब तो मतलब कोई
In
सीन ही नहीं है
person only, bro.
हाँ तब तो मतलब
In
साथ ही में बैठ
person
रहे हैं
only we'll
कोई मतलब
record.
बहुत मजा आने वाला है
Yeah, we'll instead of a coffee, it'll be a nice gin and tonic.
yeah done okay so
Anyway, man. Cheers, buddy.
yeah cheers so yeah whatever if you have to plug anything you can do right now
Nothing, man. Just like go, fucking follow me on Instagram or something. If you disagree, agree with me on anything, or wanna fucking
हाँ
talk to me, man,
हाँ
just message me. Let's have a good conversation.
yeah
Apart from that, I think like I enjoy talking to you, man. I
go
had a
listen
good
to the
time.
pod go listen to this podcast go subscribe to Laid Back Leisure with Karan and subscribe to Sit
Hey,
with
go no
Sid.
no no. All that is fine. I don't care if you do anything, but go subscribe to my YouTube channel, man. Like that's where I have few subscribers. So go subscribe to that.
I'll put
That's
all
the
the links
only
in the
thing I want to
description.
plug.
सारे links जाके
Yeah,
follow करना है, message करना है,
just
सब कुछ करना
YouTube
है.
is the main thing, bro.
हाँ. Okay. Then goodbye for now. See you.